I have 5 minutes here on my phone to speak. I'll do it as fast as I can, okay? I don't know if there is anybody on face of earth was able to deal with issue like that you hear gazillion time a day. I am not exaggerating, trazillion time a day. The word azevel, 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 azevel. First, they put you down, they do psychological, neurological, remotely harassment. They're harassing you with electronic harassment. They're doing psychological torturing, psychological abuse, all done remotely. And lately somebody contacted me somehow, I'm not going to give any details, and she told me, do you know everybody can see you in a satellite? Satellite is following you everywhere. I'm not going, first I don't have a place to speak about it and put details about the conversations, but just the idea that somebody else coming and telling you, do you know that the satellite following you everywhere, harassing you, torturing you remotely, and abusing you every day, bazillion time a day. Now, I'm dealing with this every single day. I need to hear the word azevel, azevel. The communication, it's in Hebrew. Upstairs neighbor tapping, and stomping. This is her job, to be her, to be a watchdog to my life, and I don't even know why. I don't have no freaking crime on face of her. No, I don't do drug. No, I barely touch medication. I don't do anything that is illegal. I don't have no crime on face of earth. What I'm assuming that somebody did identity theft and somebody doing human trafficking on me. Somebody probably bet a price on my head or something. Sounds weird for to be in America, you know. But I guess people doing that, dealing on your head and in your organ and your legs and your body and your heart and your kidney and whatnot and whatnot. And I need to talk. I don't have space anymore. 500 gazillion of gigabyte I have in my phone, and I don't have space. I never have space because I'm doing recording every freaking single day. And I'm doing it because they're abusing me 24/7 on a second when you're asking yourself, but you did nothing wrong to nobody on face of earth. I'm mother of 5 children who never had any crime on the universe. And I have somebody above my head, 24/7 above my head, following me, tracking me, monitoring me, snooping on me, spying on me. Do you think when I'm taking a shower they don't do that? Do you think when I'm going to sleep they don't do that? They do. They do. And they keep saying, like they're talking, it's their life, it's up to that. I can't freaking believe it. People getting to that stage that they are harassing constantly an innocent human being for their belonging. They want my stuff. I still don't get it. They're fighting for my stuff like their life, it's depend on it. That's the most idiotic things I ever saw in my life. Do you know how many years my life been wasted and snagged and destroyed for that? I believe 24 years, at least 24 years. I believe at least 24 years. I was I was being chased by Hatners. I was being chased by Teslin. I was being chased by Maxine. I was being chased by Israeli in Israel via